Hi and welcome to the Greenbird Bead Kingdom. My name is Tatiana and I'm here with the new tutorial just for you. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these lovely bow earrings using pearl beads. These earrings can be worn as earrings, but they can also be used as decoration for your necklaces. For example, if we took this earring and put this onto the string of pearl beads, see how beautiful and gorgeous it will look like. By the way, we have tutorial how to make this lovely cotton pearl necklace. You can find the link to it here. So make the necklace first, then the earrings, then you can decorate this necklace with the earrings. The list of the materials I'm using for this tutorial can be found in the description field under this video, so go to your stash or your local bead store or to the Greenbird Bead Kingdom, grab your supplies. Before we start, don't forget to like this video because this tutorial is going to be awesome, and let's get started. I'm going to work with my favorite Flex-Rite wire. I'm going to take this one, 21 strings. I will need 40 centimeters of this. I have a ruler here on my beading mat, so it's going to be handy. Okay, now I'm going to cut. Now I'm going to take this soldered ring, put it onto my wire. And then I'm going to take bigger crimp and put it onto my wire. See, ring, then a crimp. And then I'm going to pass through this crimp with my second end of wire, just like this. Now I'm putting all these two tails together and I'm going to pull this crimp to the very end where my ring is. This is how it looks at this moment. So the ring, then the crimp, and two ends of wire are coming from this crimp. Now I'm going to squeeze this crimp, but it's very important to make it perpendicular to the ring. So see, my ring is here and my crimp needs to be squeezed from the other side. So see what I'm doing? My ring is here and now I'm going to squeeze perpendicular to this ring with my tools. Just like this. See what we have now at this point. We have the ring and here we have the crimp. It's very important to squeeze absolutely in the same manner that I did here. Now I'm going to take this crystal. One wire end is going through this hole and it goes to the right side of the crystal. And the other end of wire is going to first through the top hole and then it goes to the left. So one end of wire went to one hole and the other end of wire goes through the opposite hole. So now it looks like this. Now I'm going to take one of the wire ends and I'm going to string one pearl. This pearl is 4 millimeters and now I need to add 9 6-millimeter pearls after it. And now I'm going to pass through the very same hole and then to the bottom. Just like this. Okay, I'm going to pull now. This is what I have at this point. Now add a lot of 4 millimeter pearls. You decide how many pearls you want here. It's totally up to you. If you want your bow to be bigger, then add more. If you want it to be smaller, then add less. I'm going to add 16 pearls here. Okay, here are my 16 pearls already strung. Very beautiful. I'm going to pull now. And now I'm going to pass through this tiniest crimp bead I've found at my store. I'm not going to squeeze this at this point. I'm going to use my tool to secure this thread and I'm going to squeeze it later because maybe I would like to change the number of pearls later. So I'm pulling this thread and I'm pulling this with my tool. This is called the bead stopper, so it stops all beads from falling. So I'm going to use it now here. And now I'm going to work with the second side of my bow. So I'm taking this wire and then I'm stringing one 4 millimeter pearl, then 9 bigger in size 6 millimeter. Okay, now we need to go back through this hole once again and through the bottom. Just like this. Okay, I made this loop, then I pull my wire. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful. And now I need to add more pearls here. I'm going to string 13 beads here, so one end will be shorter than the other one. Okay, 13 pearls are strung here. I'm going to pull everything, then string the tiniest crimp you find. Pull everything everywhere tightly, and then take your tool and squeeze this crimp. Just squeeze it very close to the pearl beads. And now make a cut. Cut the excess of wire and do absolutely the same thing from the other end. Pull everything once again, squeeze the crimp bead, make sure that everything is secure here, and now make a cut. Cut the excess of wire here. This is what we have at this point, very lovely and very beautiful bow made of pearls and crystal. Now I'm going to take this ear wire, open this to make sure that you're going to attach it with the right side. Now we can open this ring here, attach this to the ring that we've added before. Now we're going to close this ring on this ear wire. Okay, that's it. The earrings, the bow earrings are ready. I'm so in love with this. This is my new favorite design. Don't forget to like this video if you appear to like this tutorial. I hope you really do. Please subscribe to our channel because there are going to be more nice, interesting jewelry making tutorials in the future. And come back next week for more classes. See you soon. Goodbye.